Welcome to the Teja Statistics. In this session, we are going to discuss about the previous year's examination paper, that is probability distribution statistics, BSc statistics, and the data science. Let's see how they are asking the questions. Suppose the half of the population of a town are consumed of rice. 100 investigators are appointed to find out its truth. Each investigator interviewed 10 individuals. How many investigators do you expect to report? 3 or less people interview are consumer are consumers of rice. So this is, you have to apply the distribution functions. Next, the second and third question: draw Poisson distribution, Poisson probability graph, and write the properties of the curve. If the probability that an applicant for a driving license or driver's license will pass a road test on any given trial is 0.8, what is the probability that he will finally pass the test? Fewer than 4 trials. The probability of success on each trial is 0.5. After how many trials can we expect the first success? Next, was there any interrelationship between the binomial and negative binomial and geometric probabilities? Discuss in detail. The mean and variance of rectangular variances are 1.5 and 0.75 respectively. Obtain the quartiles and hence find the quartile deviation for it. The mean and variance of uniform distribution are 1 and 1 by 3. Find the parameters of and median of the x. Write the characteristic function of the normal distribution. Write any 4 applications of the usage of the beta distribution of second kind. Next, if x follows the exponential distribution with the p of x less than or equals to 1 and p of x greater than 1, find the mean and variance of the random variable. Next, in a transmission line, there is a fault in the insulation for every 2.5 miles on the average. What is the probability of having 2 faults in less than 6 miles? So these are the very important and previous examination questions. Applications of the binomial, negative binomial, and geometric distributions. Next, in part B, what they asked is stating the physical conditions of binomial. How can you transform it to Poisson distribution? Show it. Derive the probability and moment generating functions of the Poisson distribution. Derive the first central movements of binomial distribution and evaluate the skewness and kurtosis. Very important previous year's examination. Next, in continuation, we'll see the next questions. In continuation, 14a, derive the moment generating function of negative binomial distribution. From it, obtain the first 4 non-central movements of the central movements. Non-central movements and central movements. Examine if there exists any relationship between the Bernoulli trial distributions and negative binomial, geometric, binomial, Poisson, hypergeometric. Discuss in detail. Show that for a normal distribution, quartile deviation is to mean deviation is to standard deviation, or in the ratio 10:12:15. Very important question from the normal distribution. Approximate the normal distribution from the limiting binomial distribution. Draw the gamma distribution in single and 2 parameters curve and state their properties. Also write any four real-time applications of gamma distribution. Compute the first four central moments of exponential distribution with the parameter theta. Write its statistical significance. Very important and previous examination questions. Please find out all the solutions and discuss in detail, then you will get the absolutely good marks. Thank you.